Okay, we're talking about this Ampeg model GVT52-112. I've got all the electronics out of here. So I went to clean all potentiometers, so they're covered with sort of a carbony sort of a substance. They're just dirty, so I scrubbed them with the toothbrush, and I used some isopropyl alcohol. I used a scoop spoon and I put it on the edge, so I was able to scoop some rubbing alcohol into each one, and then clean it and see if that can help clean it as best as possible. Yeah, sometimes it just takes a little bit of air in there too. After you scrub them all, yeah, get the fine particles out of there. Anything helps, especially with scratchy pots. And now I've just sprayed it out with the, air compressor. So it's important to give it a test now and see where we are at. There were a couple of diodes that were not working correctly. That anyways, I replaced those two. Those control the power regulation to the preamp tube here. So without those diodes working, there's no power to those tubes. So those tubes are powered back up again, and the effect loop was somewhat scratchy, so I have a jumper, of course, for testing, but the goal is to see if we can revitalize that effects loop without having a jumper. But that also might be something that you need to do with this amp, just due to age. So we'll give it a test run here in a second. Okay, well, I'm going to see how it goes. I've got the Ampeg GVT52-112. Basically in repair mode still. I'll put all the dials back together if I get some smooth responses. I'm going to try it without the jumper for now, because I might have cleared that up. We'll see. So far there's no problems with the sounds whatsoever, so let's get some guitar on it, see how it works. Okay, there's a guitar plugged into the amp now. Okay, we've got smooth response for all the controls now after washing with isopropyl alcohol and air. But no problems as far as that goes. We've cleared up all the scratches and all the problems with that. So the amp is ready to be reassembled, and good. Off for a test run again. Okay.